It is Sunday time. It's gonna be a Sunday on Monday. It's gonna be a fun day, 'cause it's so yummy. Gotta have the ice cream! And more. Chocolate syrup. Oh! Whipped cream. And new addition, sprinkles! No nuts. Don't forget the banana. Banana time. And cherry on top. It's gonna be a Sunday on Monday, 'cause it's a fun day. Woo! I'm gonna go get some muffins. I'm gonna just try this. Muffins. Oh, it's great. Hold on, I gotta let the hair out. This is just so good. Oh my. Why is there a cat in here? Oh my God. I am trying to make the world's best video, and I have a cat in here. Oh my God. Get down! Well, guess what? Today we have a special guest, and we're gonna go see if she loves this Sunday. You ready? I think she's on the couch.
I said no. Of course I don't have any STDs. What are you talking about?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Would you like to try this delicious sundae?
Why, of course I would.
Tell me what you
Yum.
Tell me what you think.
It's orgasmic.
That good?
Way orgasmic.
Oh my.
Oh.
Orgasmic? I think it's a hit.
Oh.
Cherry. Let's go. Wait, do something.
Eat the banana.
Banana.